Is he dead? Do you think he's dead?
There are many words I would like to say right now.
Idiot!
That's one of them. Yes, that's very right.
Idiot!
Yeah.
Dickhead!
I would say that. I would say much worse than that. Believe. I would say much worse than that. Believe me. How about we tell that man to just crawl back under his rock from where he came from? What a...
Yeah, I thought you were actually gonna crack.
Ah, thank you. Thank you. You're sensible.
Me too. Crack. What was
Go
that?
back, you fucking idiots.
What was that?
What is he doing?
I don't know.
He was indicating to go right,
Yeah,
but that's a dead end.
I know.
What's he doing?
Go back, man. Go the way.
What is that man telling you to go around it?
I was going to go round, but okay. Wow. Clap.
Clap, 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 clap.
Oh, can you just clap some more, man?
This is why it's
Well done, man.
clear.
Well done. Oh my god. Now we're blocking the road. Oh, he wants to do it behind as well, look.
Well, behind wants to go right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wait, don't people understand? Keep
I don't know if they
clear.
understand that they're just fucking backwards. Cheers, man. Do you know what? I feel bad now. Now that I've thought it through, now I've had time to think, I've had a couple of seconds to contemplate and like can consider what this guy was doing. Maybe he was keeping it blocked so nobody else would block it. Do you know what I mean? If he does that, he's doing everyone else a favour. He's limiting their ability to block that keep clear box if he does it himself, isn't he? Well done, man. Well done. God, if only more people were smart like that. Smart. It's got a broken leg as well. Frick. So, I'm not going to call it a driving instructor, but a person trying to teach another person to drive, man flu, has parked on the wrong side of the road so badly that she can't actually get back in her car. So she's going to attempt to climb through the passenger side to get to the driver's side because of incompetence, because some people can't like travel the extra 10 seconds to turn around and then park on the wrong side, the right side, the right side, to park on the right side. I love words. Because the time wasted doing this, the time wasted doing this, it would have been, you would have saved less time going down the road a little bit, turning around in one of the side streets, and then parking on the correct side. I don't understand some people. They're very, very odd. Very odd.
I unbuckled myself.
There she is again. She's now parked on the wrong side, and I'm pretty sure I can see a space just up there on the left. I'm gonna go and investigate. Yes, there is a space, in fact. There it is. Thank you. There's no quicker way to get your license. Good maneuver? Question mark. Oh, wow, that is some close parking. Are they actually touching? They are touching. Cool. Good parking.
Can we have some?
That sounded kind of painful. Jesus Christ, come on, man, come through. Fuck's sake, what are you doing? What are you doing? Come on! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! You're welcome as well, you rude little cunt! Pay road tax, knobhead! What on earth?
I don't know.
There's no one in that car. Is she like done a crash? What on earth is going on, man? Some woman taking pictures of the obstruction that's been caused. That's bizarre. I'm not gonna be able to get around there, am I? I am going to be I'll get around there. I will if someone let me go. You are like a little bit clever, aren't you? Well, that was fun.
It's the showdown in Ukraine that's helping to drive prices higher now.
Tanker driver shortages led to panic buying, leaving many of the country's petrol pumps dry.
Drivers are lining up, nervous that fuel could run out.
Some forecourts already surpassed £2 a litre.
As petrol prices hit a record high.
People are simply deciding they can't afford to drive anymore.